Can you guess an animal just by its sound? Let's find out. Today, we're testing your ears with 30 wild audio challenges. Listen to the sound and spot the shadow to guess. Get ready to listen closely. Let's start the challenge now. Who's making this mighty sound? It's the lion. Their roar can be heard up to 5 miles away. Comment, roar, if you got this right. What's this loud trumpet noise? It's the elephant. Their trumpet can communicate over long distances. What's howling in the night? It's the wolf. Their howl helps them communicate with their pack. Quick break. Would you rather roar like a lion or trumpet like an elephant to scare off enemies? Who's singing this sweet song? It's the bird. Some birds use their songs to attract mates. What's making this hissing noise? It's the snake. Their hiss is a warning to stay away. You've completed 5 sounds. Great job. How many did you guess right? Comment below to share with everyone. Who's clicking under the sea? It's the dolphin. Their clicks help them navigate underwater. What's making this chatter in the trees? It's the monkey. Their screams can be heard through the jungle. Who's growling in the forest? It's the bear. Their growl can scare off any threat. Time for a break. Would you rather howl like a wolf or hiss like a snake to warn others? What's barking by the sea? It's the sea lion. Their bark can be heard from far away. Who's croaking in the pond? It's the frog. Their croak can be heard on warm nights. You're 1/3 through. 10 sounds done. What's your score so far? Comment below and let's see who's leading. What's screeching in the sky? It's the eagle. Their screech can echo through the mountains. Who's grunting in the mud? It's the pig. Their grunts can be a way to say hello. What's purring so softly? It's the cat. Their purr means they're happy and relaxed. Who's barking in the yard? It's the dog. Their bark can be a friendly hello. What's grunting in the savannah? It's the rhinoceros. Their grunt can be a warning to others. Let's take a break. Would you rather chirp like a bird or click like a dolphin to talk to friends? Who's roaring in the jungle? It's the tiger. Their roar can scare off rivals. What's bleating on the farm? It's the sheep. Their bleat helps them stay close to the flock. Who's hooting in the trees at night? It's the owl. Their hoot helps them hunt in the dark. What's neighing in the field? It's the horse. Their neigh can be a call to their herd. Who's roaring in the Arctic? It's the polar bear. Their roar can echo across the ice. You've made it through 20 sounds. Awesome. How many did you get right? Comment your score to join the champs. What's squeaking in the grass? It's the mouse. Their squeak helps them warn others of danger. Who's thumping in the jungle? It's the gorilla. They thump their chest to show dominance. What's clucking in the coop? It's the chicken. Their cluck can be a call to their flock. Quick break. Would you rather squeak like a mouse or cluck like a chicken to get attention? Who's mooing in the pasture? It's the cow. Their moo can be a call to their herd. Who's purring in the desert? It's the cheetah. Their purr can be heard when they're resting. Wow! 25 sounds down, only 5 to go. What's your score now? Comment below and let's see who's a sound master. Who's chirping in the forest? It's the cricket. Their chirp can be a love song for mates. What's growling in the swamp? It's the alligator. Their growl can scare off intruders. Who's squawking in the jungle? It's the parrot. They can mimic sounds to communicate. What's buzzing in the meadow? It's the bee. Their buzz helps them communicate with the hive. Who's yipping in the mountains? It's the coyote. Their yip can echo through the mountains. That's all 30 sounds. Great job. Everyone, how many did you guess right? Comment your score below. If you loved this challenge, like the video. subscribe, and check out more in our Animals Quiz Fun playlist. Challenge your friends to beat your score. Share this video and let's see who's the ultimate animal sound expert.